Hi everyone, it's Valerie at Quilts from the Heart. Today I have a Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler unboxing to share with you. This is for the October 2024 Sew Sampler box. Ooh, this one is called Colorful. And again, it's the October 2024 box. Let's dig in and see what we have. Ooh, our first item is some fat quarters, a fat quarter bundle. And this one is called Splendid Laguna Sunrise Fat Quarter Bundle. And it's really pretty colors. And this retails for $24.98. The entire box is $29.99 plus $5 shipping and tax. So as you can see, with one item, you've almost paid for the whole box. Now, let's see what else we have. Oh, this is cute. The next item is called a pop-up pattern. It comes with the hardware and everything you need to make these little pop-up baskets. As you can see, they will fold down nicely and will store really easily as well. It comes with all of the hardware to make this pop-up. And this shows you the pop-up right here. And that one retails for $13.98. Next, we have a 6-pack of Fat Quarter Shop mini bolts. These are plastic bolts that you can put fat quarters on to store them. You can use any kind of cuts of fabrics. It's just a great way to keep your fabric from creasing and from getting wrinkled as well. So this is really cool as well. And that has a retail value of $5.98. Next, we always get a pattern with the fabric. This one is the Splendid Quilt pattern. And this is a picture of it. And it's really going to be pretty with the Laguna Sunrise fabrics. And that retails for $9.98. And the next thing we get is a scissor sheath. It has a sticky back that you can stick to something, and you put your scissors in the sheath so that you don't lose them. That has retail value of $5.48. Then lastly, we have the Peaceful Baskets block number 7 quilt along. And this is the 7th block in the series. So we got some really great stuff today. And as you can tell, it's very well worth the money. So you can still get yours online, and I will put the link below. Thanks again for watching.